So the edit will be the same as create. So the only thing, let's copy from create and paste inside. So here is edit. So here is edit. So we paste here inside edit, and let's change it from create to edit, and here also edit, and the route will be updates, and we need to provide QR code that we want to update. So next we have here text area which has the content. So here we have old value, so we can display also the QR code. Content. So save. So now we have our edit form. So all we need to do is to add the route, but the route is already here, so now it's already added. So here also I think we have already done this step. We have already added the link with the route. Okay, so let's refresh the page and see what we have here. So if we hit edit button, so we are redirected to the form. So if we change the content and we hit submit, so we have the post method is not supported for route QR codes. So the supported method is put. So here side edit, so we have the token, so we need to override the method and make it put. So save, let's go back again, refresh. Let's change the content, hit submit, and we are done. So now we can update our QR codes. So let's move to the second page. So here is the second page. Let's try to edit or to update this QR code. So field form, submit again, and we are done. So let's move to the second page. So it's updated. So now what we need to do, so we need to move to the registration and login, and we need also to display a home page. So the user, when he accesses our application, so we will display a home page telling him to register and log in to use our services or to use our application. And once registered and logged in, so we will display the list of QR codes of the currently logged in user. Okay, so let's start now with the user controller, and later we will add the routes and requests, and next we will register and log in a new user.